The national leaf of the Philippines. What plant is it? Introducing Anahaw Saribus rotundifolius of the family Aricaceae. Saribus rotundifolius is a species name derived from Latin and Greek roots. Saribus comes from the Malay word sari, meaning to wave, or referring to the plants used in traditional weaving. The species name rotundifolius is derived from Latin, where rotundus means round and folius means leaf, indicating the plant's round leaves. This combination reflects the plant's characteristics and cultural significance in its native regions. Anahaw is the national leaf of the Philippines. It is an eric, round-leaf, medium-sized fountain palm. The trunk of this palm is suitable as a construction material commonly used as house posts. The leaves are ideal for roping and wrapping food. The leaf buds can be eaten as a vegetable, while the fruits and nuts are edible. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. In Benguet, the leaves are crushed and applied to fresh wounds while the decoction treats diarrhea. Anahaw is cultivated as an ornamental plant and it's popular for landscaping in tropical and subtropical countries. Anahaw is used as an ornamental plant in gardens and parks. It is also used for its medicinal properties, such as treating fever, headaches, and stomach aches. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.